Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 53. MANNADA. MANNADA. The Korean word MANNADA is a verb which means to meet. Again, MANNADA is a verb which means to meet. How do you write MANNADA in Hangul? This is composed of 3 syllables. For the first syllable man, we need to draw first a miyam character followed by an a character followed by a nian character. For the second syllable na, we need to draw first a nian character followed by an a character. And then for the last syllable da, we need to draw first a dikit character followed by an a character. Now let's try looking at this example sentence. It says to manayo. Again, it's to manayo. And if you notice, MANNADA is transformed to manayo in this sentence. The meaning of the word to is again, and manayo is the present tense form of our word for today, which is MANNADA. So as mentioned, MANNADA is transformed into manayo, and manayo is simply the present tense version of MANNADA. But how is MANNADA transformed into manayo? Presented here is a way to transform a verb into its present tense form. So we started with MANNADA, which is the root verb, and then the next step would be to remove da. So we're left with manna. And then the next step would be to add the appropriate suffix that will replace da. And there are various possible suffixes depending on the situation. So here are the rules for the suffixes. If the last letter of the verb is not a or o, we will add oyo. And if the last letter of the verb is a or o, we will add ayo. And looking back to the transformation of MANNADA to manayo, as you can see, since the last letter of manna is a or o, we'll need to add ayo. So mana plus ayo is manayo. And when we add manayo to to, it would result to a sentence that means, let's meet again. And with that, you've just learned MANNADA. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 43 to 52. But don't forget our word for today, word number 53, MANNADA, which is a verb which means to meet. The first word for our review is word number 52, achim, which means morning. Next word for our review is word number 51, suko haseyo, and this is used to say, keep up the good work. Next word is chonmanayo, and this is used to say, you're welcome. Next word for our review is word number 49, opsoyo, and this is used to say, I don't have or there isn't. Next word is isoyo, and this is used to say, I have or there is. Next word is 정말, and this is used to say really or very much. Next word is mianhae, and this is used to say I'm sorry. Next word is 집, and this is used to say home in Korean. Next word is 시간, which means time in Korean. And the last word for our review is 고양이, which means cat. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.